Keyword extraction is a technique used for identifying the most important and relevant phrases in text. These key phrases can provide a concise representation of the main topics and themes present in the text. It is possible to extract keywords from documents, articles, a conversation, or any other textual context, and it's particularly useful for content organization, search engine optimization, and topic analysis. For example, take a look at this sentence. A few years ago, everyone was talking about big data. Then the cloud came and revolutionized how we work. If I perform keyword extraction, this will be the main keywords present. Let me show you keyword extraction with a demo. This notebook is called keyword extraction and starts like all the others, importing OpenAI, getting the key, and defining the method that receives a prompt and returns the response. Here's the input text that I'm going to use for keyword extraction. It's kind of similar to the one that I just showed you, but a little bit longer. Still big data, the cloud, and then it talks about IoT, machine learning, deep learning, and large language models. The prompt that I'm going to use is the following: extract keywords from the following text, and it provides the input text. Now, when I execute, here's the response: big data, cloud, IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and large language models. Again, easy as pie.